do those drag races on the airstrip.
Mm-hmm.
And dude, the GTR still sounds so nice, you know.
Yeah, hold on, dude. I'm gonna do some revs. Yeah, that sounds pretty nice.
Where are you going?
What's up?
I said, where are you going?
I'm gonna go Floor and Decor.
Are you doing like home renovation?
Yeah,